तो हेलो वेलकम। आज हम देखेंगे कि एनपीटीएल का आईओटी इंट्रोडक्शन टू आईओटी इंट्रोडक्शन टू इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स। ओके, सो वीक वन असाइनमेंट नंबर वन. So simply question, IoT stands for. So IoT stands for, that is Internet of Things. Option number C. Okay, Internet of Things. So Internet of Things क्या है? So Internet of Things refers to the interconnected network of physical devices, vehicles, okay, appliances and other objects embedded with sensors. Okay, so जो भी फिजिकल डिवाइसेस है वो एम्बेडेड होगा सेंसर से, सॉफ्टवेयर एंड कनेक्टिविटी that enable them to collect and exchange the data. So these things communicate over the internet, enabling remote monitoring, control and automation. So let's say for example smart home devices. Okay, that is smart thermostats, smart lights. Then second, wearable health trackers, that is the smart watches, let's say fitness bands. Okay, then एक है IIoT, that is industrial internet of things for automation in factories. Okay, so the term emphasizes how physical things are integrated with digital systems, facilitating real-time data sharing and intelligent decision making. Okay, so ये हो गया ऑप्शन नंबर सी. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which of the following technologies have unified and has resulted in the evolutions of IoT? Okay, so कौन सा following technology so unified and has results in the evolutions of IoT? Okay, एक्चुअली इसका आंसर होगा नॉन ऑफ दिस. ओके, क्यों नॉन ऑफ दिस होगा? डी ऑप्शन. ओके, देखो the evolutions. Okay, evolution क्या है? The gradual development, that is known as evolution. So the evolution of Internet of Things is primarily driven by the unification of several technologies, which include, okay, first one, that is the low power embedded system. Okay, second, cloud computing. Third, advanced sensor technologies. Fourth, machine learning and data analytics. Fifth, wireless communication technology. Okay, then means then क्या है? Miniaturization and microcontrollers. Okay, so low power embedded system क्या है? Not high power but energy efficient systems enabling sensors and devices to operate for extended period without needing frequent recharging. Okay, then cloud computing, it allows the storage and processing of vast amount of data collected from IoT devices. Then third, advanced sensor technology. That is, the innovations in sensors have made them more affordable, efficient, and compact. Then fourth, machine learning and data analytics. So helps in analyzing the massive data generated by IoT devices and extracting actionable insights. And wireless communication क्या होता है? That is wireless fidelity Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee and 5G enabled devices to communicate seamlessly. Okay, then sixth one क्या होगा? Miniaturization and microcontrollers. So it advancement in microcontroller technology have reduced the size and cost of the IoT devices. Okay. So since none of the options provide directly aligned with the core technologies driving IoT evolution, so answer होगा none of these. Okay. Yes. Question number 3. Which of the following are the enablers of Internet of Things? So RFID, रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी आइडेंटिफिकेशन होगा, नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी भी होगा, सेंसर भी होगा. सो ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ऑप्शन नंबर डी. सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी क्यों होगा? देखो, the enablers of IoT include various technologies that contribute to the development and functionality of IoT systems. So these are RFID, पहले बोल चुका हूँ, रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी आइडेंटिफिकेशन। ओके, so RFID technology enables automatic identification and tracking of objects. So it is the key enabler in IoT for real-time tracking and data collection in supply chains, logistics, and inventory management. Okay, then nanotechnology. Okay, nanotechnology enhances the development of smaller, more efficient sensors and devices, and it enables the creation of advanced materials and components with the improved performance and energy efficiency. Okay, then third होगा sensors. So sensors are critical components of IoT as they collect data from the environment such as temperature, motion, pressure, and more. They are the foundation of IoT, providing the necessary data for analysis and decision making. So since all the mentioned technologies contribute to IoT's development, so the correct option is all of these. Okay. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a function of an IoT LAN? Okay. So इनमें से कौन सा IoT LAN का फंक्शन नहीं है? ओके, सो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा सी ऑप्शन, दैट इज both A and B. Okay, both A and B. That is long range communication, global and worldwide connections. Okay, so IoT LAN, Internet of Things Local Area Network, is a network designed for short range communication. Okay, between IoT devices within a limited geographic area, such as a home, building, or campus. Its primary functions include connecting local IoT devices. So it enables communication and data exchange among devices like smart appliances, sensors, and controllers. Okay. Then second में short range communication typically uses technologies like Wi-Fi, GB, or Bluetooth for connectivity. Okay. Functions not performed by an IoT LAN, that is long range communication. Okay, जो क्वेश्चन पूछा था, and worldwide connections. Okay, so long range communication. Okay, this is the domain of wide area networks and cellular networks. Okay, that is 4G, 5G, 3G. Okay, this is called the cellular networks. So worldwide connections. This function requires the internet or global network infrastructure, not a local area network. So since both A and B describes functions outside the scope of one IoT LAN, so the correct answer is both option A and B. Okay. So option number C. Question number 5. State whether the function following statement is true or false statement. So पूछा है the integration of existing devices, smart devices, and constant nodes in a singular framework is one of the reasons for the address crunch in IoT. Okay, so ये true की false पूछ रहा है, so ये true होगा. Okay, true होगा. So the address crunch in IoT refers to the increasing demand for unique IP. Okay, and race to accommodate the vast number of devices being connected to the internet. So this situation arises because first one, integration of existing devices and smart devices. Then second one is the constant nodes. Okay, तो इसलिए इसका आंसर होगा ट्रू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. State true or false statement in multi-homing. A node or network is connected to a single network for improved reliability. Okay, so ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये false हो जाएगा. क्यों false होगा? देखो, multi-homing refers to situation where a node or network इज कनेक्ट टू मल्टीपल नेटवर्क्स। यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है, सिंगल नेटवर्क। सो ये फॉल्स हो गया। ये क्या होगा, मल्टीपल नेटवर्क्स और सर्विस प्रोवाइडेड साइमल्टेनियसली। ओके, the purpose of multi-homing is to improve reliability, redundancy, and fault tolerance, okay, as well as to optimize performance and provide backup connections in case of network fails. Okay. So if a node or network is connected to only single network, so it does not qualify as multi-homing. Therefore, the statement is false. Okay. Question number 7. Which of the following is or are approaches for multi-homing? सो ये ऑप्शन नंबर सी होगा, बोथ ए एंड बी। प्रोक्सी बेस्ड भी होगा, गेटवे बेस्ड भी होगा। ओके, देखो प्रोक्सी बेस्ड क्या है कि ए proxy server, okay, acts as intermediary between the multi-homed node and the networks. Okay, so the proxy handles communication and routing, providing fault tolerance and load balancing. Then second one क्या होगा, multi-homing का approaches, that is gateway based approach. So in this approach, a gateway or router is used to manage connections to multiple networks. Okay. So the gateway determines the optimal path for communication and ensures a seamless switching between networks if one fails. So since both approaches are valid for implementing multi-homing, so the correct choice both A and B. Okay, both A and B. Yes. So question number 8, IPv6 uses dash notation for its representation. So Internet Protocol version 6, that is hexadecimal. Okay, IPv6 uses hexadecimal. Option number C. Okay. So Internet Protocol version 6 address uses hexadecimal notation for representation. So an Internet Protocol version C address is 128-bit long and is written as 8 groups for 4 hexadecimal digits separated by colon. Okay, so each hexadecimal digit represents 4 bit, that is a nibble. Okay, 4 bit को क्या बोलते हैं, a nibble of the address. So ये that is the example of hexadecimal notation. Okay, is separated by colon. अब देखो is separated by colon. Okay, are separated by colon. Okay, and ये 128 bit long है, and 8 groups of 4 hexadecimal digits. Okay. Yes. Question number 9. State true or false. The parameters sensed by a sensor may be sent to the cloud for further processing. Okay. So ये हो जाएगा true. Option number B, that is true. True होगा. In IoT system, sensors are often used to measure various parameters such as temperature, humidity, motion, or pressure. So these sensors collect data from the environment and send it to the cloud for further processing, analysis, and storage. So the cloud provides a scalable platform, that is the enhancement of the number of networks platform to handle large volumes of data and perform advanced analytics for machine learning, enabling smarter decision making and actions based on the sensor data. That is why it's true. Okay. Then question number 10. The IPv6 notation uses dash number of bits to represent an address. बोल चुका हूँ मैं पहले से 128 बिट्स, और मैं समझा भी दिया था। ओके, समझ में आ गया। टोटल ये वाला आप गो थ्रू कर सकते हो टोटल। यस। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. A sensor is, okay, a sensor is A sensor is only sensitive, okay, to the measured property, A होगा, B भी होगा, insensitive to any other property that part the sensor is made to sense. So both option होगा, both A and B. Okay, both A and B. So a sensor should ideally be sensitive to the property it is designed to measure. For example, a temperature sensor should respond to changes in temperature. So a sensor should ideally be insensitive, okay, to the other properties that are not relevant to its intended measurement. So this ensures that it provides accurate and reliable data without interference from irrelevant factors. Okay. So both conditions together define the ideal behavior of a sensor. Okay. So that's why option is both A and B. That is option number C. Okay. Yes. So number 12. We classify sensors based on. Okay. We classify sensors based on, that is both A and B, output and data type. So output means sensors are categorized by the nature of their output signals, such as analog sensors providing continuous signals or digital sensors providing discrete signals. So analog होगा तो continuous, digital होगा तो discrete. That or output sensors can be classified based on output and data type. So output हो गया, data type क्या है? Sensors can also be classified based on the type of data they measure, such as temperature, pressure, humidity, okay, proximity or light. So both criteria are commonly used to classify sensors. Okay. Question number 13. Which of the following is correct statement? A. Controlling AC loads using low DC signals. होगा correct. Relays are electromechanical. Correct. Relays are actuators. Correct. तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ओके. देखो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन क्या था? कंट्रोलिंग एसी लोड्स यूजिंग लो डीसी सिग्नल. रिलेज are often used to control high power AC loads using low power DC control signals. This is a common application in automation and circuit design. Then B option, relays are electromechanical. That is, the traditional relays operate through an electromechanical mechanism, typically consisting of a coil and a switching mechanism. And option number C, the relays are actuators. So relays act as a actuators by physically moving their contacts to open or close circuit in response to the electrical signal. So that's why all of the above, option number D. Question number 40. Based on the output, sensors are classified as. Okay. Based on the output, sensors are classified as. Okay. That is analog, digital, दोनों होगा, both and B. दोनों होगा, both A and B, analog or digital. Based on output, sensors are classified. Okay. देखो एनालॉग सेंसर्स में सेंसर्स आर क्लासिफाइड बेस्ड ऑन देयर आउटपुट, एनालॉग और डिजिटल. सो एनालॉग सेंसर्स, these provide a continuous signal, example voltage or current, that is proportional to the measured quantity. So examples include thermocouples and strain gauges. So digital क्या होगा? Usually in binary form, representing the measured quantity. Examples including digital thermometer, okay, or proximity sensors. Okay. So the sensors can produce either analog or digital outputs. So both of the option A and B. The option is C. Okay. Then last question 15. Soft actuators are, that is option number A, polymer based. So polymer based क्या है? Soft actuators are typically polymer based materials or devices that can differ in response to external stimuli such as electric fields, heat, light, or chemical changes. So examples of including dielectric elastomers, hydrogels, and safe memory polymers. So these materials are widely used in applications requiring flexibility, adaptability, and compliance, such as robotics, biomedical devices, and soft repairs. So soft actuators are option number A, that is polymer based. तो मिला लेते हैं होगा सारे के सारे हो गया क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का सी एस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 डी एस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 डी एस क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सी एस क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ए एस क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 बी एस क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 सी एस क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ए एस क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 बी एस क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 बी एस क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 डी क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 सी and finally question number 15, that is A. Okay, submit the answer. Thank you for taking the week one assignments. Thank you.